Hi guys, today I will talking about trend line and how to draw to use them of crypto trading. It's the most popular question for how to draw trend line, and this video are talking about it. Let's start. Why is the technical analyst important? It's often said that fundamental analysts will help you spot good crypto to trade, but technical analysts help to spot your entry and exit point to the trade. Crypto technical analysts uh, involve following partner from the assets price history to determine what might happen in the future. It's based on the fractal nature of the market and of the fact that the partner record overs and the overview value of the card time frames. As the partner recordly uh, appear Mm, the partner appears the trader can find good entry and exit price point of the trading to cryptocurrency. Exactly, technical analyst tells the trader at what price level to invest to the crypto and the right time to withdraw for the trade. As a result, technical analyst is calculate on the net profit the loss of trading account. What is the trend line? The name suggests trend line is the usual technical analysis to determine the direction of trend. They're drawing along the example point of the trend. Its trends are consistently moving higher than a trend line will be slant upward. If the market in the downtrend, that trend line will be slider down. More importantly, trend line are used to determine support and resistance level. Support in the place where select stop selling and buying and start buying in support. The invalid and buying on selling shifts towards the buying. As a result, to typical C prices rebound higher of support. This check you ascending trend lines support and distance trend line resistance. The opposite of true for resistance. Resistance is the killing of the chart that operate to hold price down by the C price getting too high and they stop buying. Seller begins the emerge because it's said it's no longer moving high. This form a level of resistance that appear to repel pricing lower. Traders can easily indefinitely support and resistance that recover the same price levels. This is no horizontal support and resistance. However, wherever support and resistance levels don't have a B horizontal support and a resistance level can also stand upward or downward with trends. It's this upward and downward trend of which trader focus and draw trend line on help them indefinitely enter and exit point for the traders. Now you check in trend line and have to drawing here just for 1, 2, 3, 4 point and just drawing up. In the Bitcoin charter above price and the trend higher each the time Bitcoin dips in the faint support near a support trend line bouncing higher and creating the situation of incredible high and lower. This you check in 1.2.3.4 and 5 in the so upper point and just going up. It's important to note that support trend line don't last forever. Um, Eventually they break when the trend line is broken. Price sometimes revert to underside of the broken support line before processing lower. On the Ethereum chart above we can see how the support trend line actually break later. Price really back up below this broken support line which now acts as new resistance. As prices trend lower since the trend lines begin to form, this provides to crypto trader with a zone in which to consider selling short. Another way crypto traders use trending lines by breaks of resistance and sell breaks of support. It's just resistance. It's just going under 1 point, 2 point, and 3 point and higher of trend. In the Bitcoin chart above, price concealed for several weeks. In early March 2021, a trade can draw a resistant trend line that waited for a break higher. In early April 2021, Bitcoin finally broke higher above the trend line and continues rarely the break above the trend line. In the design, the correction may be over and the market is ready to resume its uptrend. How to draw trend line on crypto chart. Drawing trend line is more an art than a science, therefore it will take a little practice to train in eyes while drawing to maximal benefit. When trading line, we are drawing correctly, you will see the market react to the line. Perhaps the market eventually break also the line, but firstly you should see it dance around the line if they're going to reserve. You check 1 point, 4, 2 point, 3 point, and 4 point. It's just under of trend, under one, and under again. It's just higher right now. It's a Bitcoin chapter above the line in drawing the point 1 and 2 when your line expanded future to right. Point 3 chapter reaction both higher. These bones in the immediately reaction to Bitcoin collapse through the trend line. Bitcoin exactly come back to retest the bottom side of the trend line near point 4. Sometimes there third touch of the trend line produces a large trend, while other time of merely fake out. You will find more successfully drawing your trend lines when you place them at common reaction point. Let's go over especially example how to draw assessing trend line and uptrend and discanceling trending line in downloading. Download trend. Uptrends. How to does one draw trend line? While drawing its trend line, it's fairly easy one. So you get the hand of where to start. Ask you look to up and line uptrend line in difficult 2 or 3 common low point. Their low point should be created successfully on incredible high lower. Once your spot the low point actively the trend is having tool on charting software, then clicking of the lower point and the trend, make a second click towards the right to another common low point. If your trend line doesn't expand further to the right after your second click, then you need to activate these settings. You enable the exchanging to the line to the right. After you set the exchanging to trend line, make sure and line and crossing through the outer edge to the candle wings and not through the bodies. It's one under point, it's two under point, it's second, it's a last under point, and the trend going up. Once the ripple chart about 3 appear to be some command low point where trend line can be drawn. After drawing a line the 3 low point, make sure the line is extending further to the right. You see 1 under point, 2 under point, 3 under point, and just going up and just correcting down and just going point under 1, 2, and just going under and correct in the back and just going to higher point. It's all what I'm saying about this video. Check in next video and like this. See you later guys, bye bye.